Your taste buds will love you for learning how to make this white sauce for pasta. If you like noodles and white sauce, then this homemade quick and easy recipe is for you. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into an oh-so-good white sauce for pasta recipe. Buckle up, let's go! Start off with a saute pan over low to medium heat. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and melt that butter down. Grab 2 cloves of garlic, mince them. I like to use this garlic press. It does a really good job of pulverizing the garlic and getting every little last bit of it. To kick it up a notch a little bit, for this white sauce for pasta recipe, a pinch of red pepper flakes. Give it a stir, saute it for roughly a minute to bring out the flavor. Now it's time to add our thickening agent. We're going to make a roux for this white sauce. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of flour, mix it in, cook it for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, great, so now we have our thickening agent ready to go. It's time to add 1 cup of chicken stock. And now hit that like button and smash that subscribe button for more sauce and gravy recipes. Grab some heavy cream. It's time to add it to this white sauce recipe. 1 cup, in it goes. Give everything a little bit of a mix, and the burner, it's over medium heat. And you'll know whenever the white sauce is thick enough, whenever you stir and it leaves trails and you can see the bottom of the pan. Grab a little bit of Parmesan cheese, 1 cup. You can use any Parmesan cheese that you like, the store-bought stuff, or you can grate it yourself. Turn off the heat, give it a stir. Make sure that Parmesan cheese is well incorporated into the white sauce. Grab a little bit of pepper, just a pinch, throw it on in, taste the sauce, adjust the seasoning with salt, add as much as you like. Give it a little bit of a mix, and this white sauce is perfect for any pasta. Check it out. Look how ooey gooey this is. This will stick to any pasta that you could possibly imagine. And now it's time to finish this pasta sauce off with 1 cup of finely chopped Italian flat leaf parsley. Give it a mix, and now it's time to add the pasta to the white sauce. I cooked 1 dry pound of penne pasta, and now I'm adding it on in. Give it a mix. You can use any pasta that you like though. You can use fettuccine, you can use spaghetti, taster's choice. So there you go, a quick and easy white sauce for pasta. What's your favorite white sauce for pasta? Let me know.